When you want it done the right way, Toledo Door and Window, home of the talking door.
Typical installation on a garage door is probably 3 to 4 hours for a 2-car door, and that's typical. There is cases where headrooms come into play, weight of it, room inside the garage to move things around and to work at a decent pace. But all of our guys, it's amazing how they work in a routine. They don't get off the beaten path. They start from A, they go through to Z, and they've done it for so many years. It's to watch the guys who do the installation of the garage doors. They're good. They know what they're doing. A lot of steps that somebody else would stand there scratching their head wondering, okay, and it's second nature for them.
When you want it done the right way, Toledo Door and Window, home of the talking door.